really we go through pretty well the entire car as far as everything mechanical.
That first year, it's pretty much like the basics of an automotive degree.
Learning about how an engine works and how vehicles work in the different systems.
We've learned a lot about how to do engine parts right now, and later on you'll learn electric.
So we're going to do and work with things that are going to, from the engine and how to make it run.
When the years get more progressive, you get more advanced, more familiar with vehicles, how they work, what are components.
And Automotive 2 is more hands-on, so you learn both sides of it. You know how things work, and then Automotive 2, you can apply that to the actual field that you're working in.
Auto 3 is more drivetrain and then mobile HVAC, or heating, ventilation, and air conditioning.
Working about HVAC, we're actually learning about how the whole entire Freon system works and getting our Freon certification.
I knew how to change a tire, I knew how to do some oil changes. I mean, I knew how to do some of the basic stuff, but with actually taking the class, I actually learned more about how to changing a tire and the different specs and all the different, I mean, it's a whole lot more than what a normal person would think.
I can rebuild an engine now, so I would say I've learned quite a bit. I know how most of the systems work in a car, and you just learn everything about a car that you need to know to start off with, and then as you go into the business world of it, you start learning more mechanical things.